Let Me Get Real With You video. Now, as I was saying, right, and I promise you this a bonus. If you watch until here, I promise you a bonus is resources that I can support you with my expertise, which is the technical support. And I think it will be very relevant for small businesses or or solopreneur, in a sense that you don't have that, right? You are not prepared for a 2,500 minimum advertising budget, number one. And number two, that you are still skeptical about paying for expensive, um, uh, this kind of annual recurring membership type of corporate support for your type of businesses, right? So of course I know, right, one industry, right, most likely will be fallen through the cracks, will be people that their background are just like me, right, which is network marketers, or maybe you are a beginner, right, in selling or promoting other people's products, right? Or we call that affiliate marketer, right? These are the people that it's like in this space that they are not there yet to, or their industry forbid them to directly run advertising campaign to promote about their businesses and about their products, right? Okay, and for this group of people, right, although it is exciting to have this kind of resources made available for businesses, especially for small businesses, by TikTok, when you try to leverage their platform to run your business, to grow your business, right? Then I have this bonus support for you, which will be in terms of like the technical support, that how you can learn, it's not difficult at all, that on your own, that how you can set up your own automated, right, digital business ecosystem by using the modern digital tools and platforms that I can recommend you, right? And definitely it's something that you can afford, right? The kind of especially when you are a beginner, you don't have a big budget, right? And you would like to try out certain things, right, with the lowest possible risk, right, in that mindset, right? And this is something that I can step in to give you my recommendations, okay? And of course, you see the value, right? If you have been checking out my content on my TikTok feed, right? This is something that I always educate people about, either in my weekly live streaming or all my video contents, right? It's all for educational purpose in that aspect, right? And of course with that, to be more solid, right, and consistent in that way, and not bits and pieces of, but a more structured and systematic way to learn how to set up all these things on your own, right, with a small marketing budget, right? And you can actually subscribe to my very very attractive, right, mentorship plus tech support hub, which is only $27 a month. Okay, no contract, cancel anytime. I even give you a free trial, right? Okay, so these are some of the things I put in place to to show my sincere support for you. Okay, that I make available if you are the subscriber of my hub. So this is the bonus information I'd like to give you if you watch until here. So last but not least, don't forget to follow me so you will be notified timely, right, about my video contents being posted and my weekly live streaming. I look forward to seeing you and bringing you in the future more value adding content. Thank you for watching.